Citrix is the world leader for the last 26 years in terms of virtualization and end-user computing. We have been helping organizations to ensure that their customers, their employees are able to securely connect to applications and data. And this is mainly what has been our focus. So Citrix is also very well known to be a leader in the mobility space and also in the application and delivery. So in terms of what we're doing this year at GITEX, we thought that the best is to collaborate with Microsoft because our technology is very much complementary to what they offer. Typically, whenever a customer is considering a VDI project, this tends to create the need for an infrastructure in order to host the Windows images. And rather than investing in an infrastructure that would cost a investment in CapEx, the option is to go with Microsoft Azure Cloud and host that on a cloud basis. The great benefit to the customers is that it would reduce the initial investment that they will have to make, and it will also allow them to deploy this much faster and thus having a faster ROI. Now, as an example of this VDI project, if customers wish to work while having an on-premise infrastructure, we have collaboration with most of the hardware vendors. And this year we opted to also participate with Nutanix, who's also a leading hyper-converged vendor that has been taking quite a lot of hype in the market. And we've been collaborating with them for the last 2 years very, very closely, and a lot of projects that we have done together. So again, we're participating with them at GITEX, in addition to our presence through our distribution network, be it Mindware and Logical. Now, in terms of what we've been doing in the market, we have seen quite a lot of demand for our technology over the last couple of years. The major industries that we have seen are really considering and started to massively deploy Citrix would be the oil and gas, the banking sector, the airlines, and the telcos. These have been the major, and we've seen of late a trend that even in the public sector, where previously they opted for traditional deployments of desktop, now they are looking at the virtualizing those environments and ensuring that they are easier to manage and more secure. Now, in terms of customer success stories, there has been a major airline in the region that has had a massive deployment that is exceeding 14,000 users in the region. We also had one of our customers that's a public reference for us, which is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, where they opted for our VDI solution and they deployed it for more than 86% of their employees. Another major law enforcement authority that is the leading in terms of technology in this part of the world has also opted for the Citrix mobility solution, and they are going to be deploying it in next month, so there will be a launch for that. And in a nutshell, this is what Citrix does. We ensure that people are able to work from anywhere, from any device, on any network, and from anywhere, anytime.